Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present a new topic, neurasthenia. Neurasthenia is disease of nervous debility. This occurs due to abnormality or any weakness in the nervous system or neuron. Neurasthenia is a form of psychoneurosis. Neurasthenia is a form of psychoneurosis which is characterized by chronic abnormal fatigability, lack of energy, moderate depression, feeling of inadequacy, inability to concentrate the mind, loss of appetite, insomnia, ache, pain, etc. Neurasthenia, also called nervous exhaustion. Neurasthenia, also called nervous exhaustion, introduced in the 1860 by the American neuropsychiatrist George Miller Beard, who applied it to a condition characterized by chronic fatigue and disability. Chronic fatigue and disability. This disorder is a prime example of cultural differences influencing the classification and manifestations of disease. According to WHO, a study found an incidence of about 2% which increased to 6% when depressive symptoms were present. You see in this diagram prevalence of neurasthenia worldwide. Etiology. According to Beard, the cause of neurasthenia was nervous exhaustion, which referred to depletion of the stored nutrient in the nerve cell. This depletion resulted from stress such as overwork. Freud agreed with Beard that stress was involved, but Freud thought that neurasthenia was produced by a disturbances in sexual functioning, specifically the inadequate discharge of sexual energy that occurred when masturbation replaced normal intercourse. Types of neurasthenia: fatigue neurasthenia, headache neurasthenia, sleeplessness neurasthenia, trembling neurasthenia, digestive or gastric neurasthenia, selfishness neurasthenia, sexual neurasthenia, cerebral neurasthenia, nervous neurasthenia, traumatic neurasthenia, spinal neurasthenia. These are the 11 types of neurasthenia. Symptoms of neurasthenia: fatigue, headache, sleeplessness, autonomic nervous system and endocrine gland, digestive disorder, to be selfish and self-centered, effects of sexual relation, cerebral neurasthenia. Diagnostic criteria for neurasthenia. Either of the following must be present: persistent and distressing complaint of feeling of exhaustion after a minor mental effort. Persistent and distressing complaint of feeling of fatigue and bodily weakness after minor physical effort. At least one of the following symptoms must be present. Number 1, feeling of muscular ache and pains, dizziness, tensions, headache, sleep disturbance, inability to relax, irritability, feeling of muscular ache and pains, dizziness, tension headaches, sleep disturbance, inability to relax, irritability. Differential diagnosis. Neurasthenia must be distinguished from anxiety disorders, depressive disorder, and the somatoform disorder. Hallmarks of neurasthenia are a patient emphasis on fatigability and weakness and concern about lowered mental and physical deficiency. Chronic fatigue syndrome must also be considered. Course and prognosis. Untreated, the disorder is usually chronic and patient may become incapacitated by one or more symptoms so that all areas of functioning become impaired. With treatment, the prognosis should be favorable, but long-term prognosis is unknown. Treatment. The key concept in the current treatment of neurasthenia is clinicians understanding that a patient's symptoms are not imaginary. Medical work should be done. Reassurance that medications and psychotherapeutic intervention will be useful. Identification of a stressor and coping mechanism. Psychopharmacological agent. Serotonergic agents, fluoxetine, other antidepressant, nefazodone and mirtazapine. Benzodiazepines. Similarly, a small dosage of analeptic such as amphetamine or methylphenidate may help to treat chronic fatigue and anhedonia. Tilt table test. Tilt table test. You lie on a table that adjusts your body position from horizontal to vertical to stimulate a standing up. The test can tell your doctor if faulty brain signals are causing low blood pressure. A tilt table test is used to evaluate the cause of unexplained fainting. Management. Advice to patient to continue daily routine work. Take warm milk at bedtime for prevents constipation. Take seasonal fruits. Homeopathic medicine. Adrenalinum, anacardium, britacarb, carbovage, gelsemium, calibrom, lachesis, lysine, medorinum, merxol, muriatic acid, natrum carb, natrum sulf, nux vomica, opium, plumbum, phosphorus, pulsatilla, strychnia phosphorica, zincum picricum. These are the medicine indicated for neurasthenia, but viewers are advised to use medicine with the guidance of consultation of a experienced homeopath. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.